Hey there. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can backup and recover your Okta Workforce Identity Cloud data using HYCU R-Cloud. Let me first show you how simple and easy it is to configure your Okta with HYCU. Under Identity and Security, you'll be able to find Okta WIC along with the other IAM and security tools. To configure your Okta, all you need is your organization URL and API token. Once it's been configured, you'll be able to find it under the list of SaaS applications. Now let's take an example of actually restoring Okta data. This is my Okta organization, where I have several different users, groups, policies, and applications. Let's say, for example, as the final step of the employee offboarding process for an employee called Tim Johnson, we need to delete his Okta account. But by mistake, I deleted Tim Jameson's account. Luckily, my Okta org is backed up on HYCU. From the list of restore points, you can select the point you want to restore from. With HYCU, you can restore the entire Okta organization or a particular resource from any of these different objects. In our case, we want to restore a single user. You can easily search for the user you want to restore. Here you can select which storage target you want to restore from and hit restore. Looks like the restore has been completed. So let's go back to Okta and check that. You can see that Tim Jameson has been added now, with all the applications and all the groups linked to him. Now let's look at how you can configure your backup frequency and retention with policies on HYCU. HYCU gives you a few policies out of the box, or you can choose to create your own policies. You have complete control over the backup frequency with flexibility down to the hour. And you can retain your backup data for years. Let's say you want to store it for 4 years. You can store copies and archives of your data. And you can also set up a backup window to schedule all your automated backups. Finally, let's understand where your backup data actually sits. One of HYCU's core advantages is that you have complete control over your data. Your data sits in a storage target defined and owned by you. Just select the preferred vendor, enter the required details, and you can add your own storage target. This helps you follow your data residency requirements and helps you stay compliant. So, I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how you can quickly start protecting your Okta data with HYCU R-Cloud. Thank you.